Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello IGs, welcome to this video. Task 17H, page 357. Today inshallah we're gonna know how to add a hyperlink. Sorry, task 17I. We already did task 17H. So let's do task 17I and how to connect the subtitles and the titles with a hyperlink inside the document. This is what we are about to do inshallah. Yeah, IGs. So let's start. Open the file task 17H. We already did it. We already made it, but before that, let me open task 17G. And then I have to make sure to save it as a task 17H file, save as. And I have a work file. I named it chapter 17 work file. I hope you do the same. And now I'm gonna name it task 17H. I name it capital H because I already small h. So task 17H, save it. Make sure to save the file. I'm about to do adding an index and letting the title and the subtitles come together. So let me add like a page break after the first page, and let me copy the subtitles starting with the motherboard. We already bookmarked it. So let me show the paragraphs. There is a page break over here. Let me copy the subtitles, the motherboard, and then we have the RAM, the second bookmark, and the third one. Let me do it quick. Motherboard, RAM, and then we have the ROM. I'm just doing copy and paste. Copy and paste them. You have a video card. Also we have sound card, and then the HDD, the last one. I just copy and paste the bookmarks. Copy and paste. Now I'm about to add a hyperlink. Okay, so I know that there is a page break over here. This is showing paragraphs, marks, and hidden format symbols. No need for it. Now I want to add the links. I would like to add my subtitles. Link my subtitles. When I click on motherboard, I go immediately and read about the motherboard. I want to read about RAM. Just when I click on the RAM, and then I may be able to go and read about RAM. So let me just name them as an index. Okay, let's start. Select your first subtitle. Go to Insert tab and then go to Link. Insert tab and then Link. In the link, I may place my document. Place it with a web page or place in this document. I already bookmarked them. So I click on the motherboard. I would like to link the first subtitle, which is the motherboard. Click on the motherboard and then click OK. Immediately there is underline on it. It's underlined. Okay. To test it, move the pointer towards it, and then you can see that. Click Control and then click to follow the link. Let me see. Control and link. Click. Now I go to motherboard. Let me link the other one, RAM. The same steps, yeah, just insert tab and then link. And I would like to place this with the RAM. No, this is wrong. I didn't add the RAM. Sorry. I should link this one. I should bookmark it, but I forgot. Sorry. Let me link the bookmark, the ROM. The third bookmark, ROM, ROM. This one. And then I click OK. Immediately it's underlined. Video card. This one. You can sort them by location, remember, if you want to follow the sequences. And I forgot the RAM. I didn't bookmark the RAM. I bookmarked the ROM, video card, sound card, and the HDD. So this is a video card I added. It's already added. Video card. Link it. Place this document. Video card. And OK. Sound card. Place this document, sound card, and then OK. The last one, HDD, link. This one, I name it internal hard disk drive HDD, and then okay. Here we go. Can I test him? Of course I can. Let me try read about ROM. I decided to read about ROM. Control and then click to follow the link. Now I'm reading about the ROM. And when I read about sound card, control and then click. Here we go. It's work. Everything is perfect. Make sure to save your file. Task 17i. Save the document with the file name task 17i. And by the way, you may delete them if you decided to delete something. So highlight them again, go to link, and you may remove the link if you love to. If I decided to remove it, I may remove the link. Okay, make sure to save it. Task 17, what is the file name? I. Make sure to save it. Task 17i, and please make sure to make a work file. Task 17i. Name it task 17i and save it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that's clear for you. Adding bookmarks and adding a link. We found them in Insert tab. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye.